Indian Railway Budget Speech 2016-17. Ready? Madam Speaker, I rise to present before this august House the statement of estimated receipts and expenditure for 2016-17 for Indian Railways. Madam Speaker, I begin my speech by stating that we had set out on a journey last year. The journey of transforming Bhartiya Rail. We have achieved significant progress in all aspects of this transformation, from scale to speed, from cleanliness to efficiency to resource mobilization. We still have a long way to go. But the important thing is that we have a strong intent and the will to achieve our objectives. Even as our journey continues, I am reminded 100 of Gautam Buddha, who said that whenever one contemplates a journey, there are two mistakes one can make: not starting and not going all the way. We have already started the journey, and I intend to go all the way. And we will not rest till we take Bhartiya Rail to a destination called Samriddhi or success. Madam Speaker, the railway setup is a reflection of everything that is India. It imbibes the ethos, morals, values, and ethics of our great country. It represents the tireless spirit, eternal hope, aspirations, perseverance, determination, and the never ending enthusiasm of our 200 dynamic country. Whoever said that in India railways is a way of life could not have been more appropriate. India's rich biodiversity and wildlife is one of the mainstays of Incredible India campaign. Last year, we initiated a project to target reduction in elephant collisions, especially in northeastern states. This year, to spread awareness about our national animal, the tiger, we will offer complete packages including train journey, safaris, and accommodation to cover the wildlife circuit comprising Kanha, Pech, and Bandhavgarh. Madam Speaker, now I come to tourism. Tourism holds great potential for economic development and job creations. We will 300 be partnering with the state governments for operating tourist circuit trains and explore the possibility of a revenue sharing model. We have recently upgraded our National Rail Museum. Promotion of tourism through railway museums and UNESCO World Heritage. Railways will be our special focus. In order to encourage active involvement by various railway establishments toward environmental initiatives, we have instituted a Shield on Environment for the best performing zonal railway or production unit. Green industrial units are proposed to convert all production units as well as at least one workshop in each zonal railways. As 400 green industrial unity by obtaining relevant certification, good energy management, sourcing energy from renewables, water conservation, improved green cover, and environment friendly management of waste. Automatic coach washing plants will be commissioned in major coaching depots with a holding of more than 500 coaches for improved cleaning with reduced water consumption. Further, 32 stations and 10 coaching depots have been identified for installation of water recycling plants in the coming years. To take forward our Prime Minister's vision of promoting solar power, Indian Railway had targeted commissioning of installed capacity of 1000 megawatt in next 5 years. Policy guidelines and 500 tender documents for 50 megawatt solar plants at rooftop have been issued and a facility for another 100 megawatt is being set up. We have commissioned a 25 megawatt windmill power plant at Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, and we are working towards commissioning 132.5 megawatt in the next year. We propose to utilize our infrastructure at remotely located railway stations for installation of solar microgrid on pilot basis, which will not only provide clean and reliable power supply to railway station but will also facilitate energy access to nearby quarters and surrounding rural households. IR under bracket Indian Railway uses steel sleepers on steel 600 bridges which have limitations on maintenance and attaining higher speeds. Hence, environmentally friendly composite sleepers made up of recycled plastic waste have been developed which will be used all over Girder Bridge. An action plan has been drawn up for environmental accreditation, water management, and waste to energy conversion. So far, more than 2000 locations have been provided with rainwater harvesting facility and RWH systems will be provided in a phased manner in all establishments having rooftop areas of more than 2000 square meters. This comes from a realization that out of total potential of recycling around 250 million liters 700 of water per day, we only recycle 20 million liters. We have partnered with Khadi and Village Industries Commission to support creation of employment and self-reliance in rural India, resulting in the generation of 17 lakh per day. We will continue to partner with them to develop products and services for passengers and also market them using IR's vast resources and assets. We will encourage sourcing of products from SC/ST entrepreneurs. With these words, Madam Speaker, I commend the railway budget from 2016-17 to the August House.